So on the XAUUSD, what is the situation we have on the XAUUSD? So at the beginning of the week, we were able to take advantage of some sell positions here during the course of the New York session yesterday, as we were able to scoop about price moved about 170 pips in our favor before those bullish momentum started happening. And during the live session yesterday, we were around this point, around that $2,000 mark, which happens to be our key level for the week, where we said price action trading below the key level will be an opportunity to sell, and price action trading above that key level will be an opportunity to buy. And coupled with the key level at the $2,000 mark was the bearish trend line that we were able to identify at the beginning of the week after connecting the series of lower highs. So we have a bearish trend line which we definitely said we are going to be using to guide our trading activity for this week. And after enjoying that bearish move to the downside, I hope you moved your stop loss accordingly to secure some position before the buy pressure took us out of that position. So after the price action took us out of our sell position with some small profit around that area, what I would notice during the early hours of today was that breakout of that trend line to the upside, which is a sign that buyers are likely going to be coming in. And at the same time, it also gives us a clue into how the bearish trend line may no longer have the capacity to support bearish momentum in this market. And the breakout retest of that level triggered the first buy position for the week around this area. And for those who are taking advantage of that opportunity, well done to you for being on standby. And one thing I'll be advising us that we should give room for price action to breathe around this area is we should be having our stop loss sitting somewhere right around the $1,992 level, which will be dovetailing to about 80 pips thereabout. And the reason why I have said this is simply because of the fact that price action happens to have broken out of both the $2,000 mark and the bearish trend line that we identified at the beginning of the week. And you all know from a technical standpoint, whenever price action breaks out of a key significant structure like this, we expect that one point in time price is likely going to come back to do a retest of that structure, where buy pressure around this area on our lower time frame will be an opportunity to join or add more position to your existing trade. So because of this reason, we want to be ensuring that we have our stop loss order around that area. Now, for those who had missed out on the buy position that we took advantage of during the early hours of today, well, I would advise us to remain patient, as there is still a chance that we could still join this bullish momentum to the upside. So as long as price remain above both the $2,000 mark and the bearish trend line in this market, we continue to look out for buying opportunity. So this is going to be our yardstick for trading activity today. So we have a bearish trend line, we have the $2,000 mark. As long as price remain above the structure, we look out for more buy positions to add to our existing trade. Now, with the situation we have right now, we have a key structure at the $2,008 mark, which happens to be where price action started this week, and that is actually the highest point price action has ever been for this week. Then we saw a couple of hours ago where a sharp rejection of that same level happened. So for me, at this particular point in time, a breakout retest of the $2,008 level will be an opportunity for me to buy, as the breakout would have taken out all the sell position along the $2,008 mark. And considering the fact that price is trading above that bullish trend line, I will feel comfortable above that level to buy. So with the situation we have here, a buy stop order above the $2,008 mark seems most appropriate at this point. And then we'll continue to monitor price action. If it does happen that price action ever continue to the upside, breaking out of that $2,020 mark level, another psychological level to look forward to, which was respected in the past by selling pressure, a breakout of that level also will definitely be welcoming additional position to our existing trade. So these are my views here on the XAUUSD for today. I will continue to look out for more opportunities to buy the XAUUSD. And to further buttress the bullish momentum that we have in the market here is the fact that price action has found it difficult to find a lower high. As you can see, we have a demand zone just sitting around the 1,989 level, which has been negating all selling pressure in this market. But if at any point in time price action drops below the 1,989 to the downside, breaking down the demand zone with selling pressure below the structure, then at this point we might be considering selling the XAUUSD. But if this does not happen, we continue to hold on to our bullish buyers in this market. So these are my views here on the XAUUSD for today. I hope I made myself clear, and I'm very sure you are well equipped enough to be confident enough to take advantage of any potential trading opportunity in this market for today.